Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. Solve the equation. 4 times the quantity 2x minus 3 equals 28. Apply the distributive property first, then solve the resulting two-step equation. Check your answer. Now let us work through the solution step by step. We start with 4 times the quantity 2x minus 3 equals 28. Using the distributive property, we multiply 4 by 2x to get 8x and multiply 4 by 3 to get 12. This gives us 8x minus 12 equals 28. To undo the subtraction, we add 12 to both sides. On the left, negative 12 and positive 12 cancel, leaving 8x. On the right, 28 plus 12 equals 40. So we have 8x equals 40. Next, we undo the multiplication by dividing both sides by 8. 8x divided by 8 is just x, and 40 divided by 8 is 5. Therefore, x equals 5. Let's check our answer by substituting x equals 5 back into the original equation. Inside the parentheses, 2 times 5 is 10, minus 3 is 7. Then 4 times 7 equals 28, which matches the right side perfectly. The answer checks out. To summarize, we applied the distributive property to get 8x minus 12 equals 28. Then we added 12 to both sides to get 8x equals 40. Finally, we divided both sides by 8 to find x equals 5. We confirmed this is correct by checking it in the original equation. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.